Okay. My dear JK Astro friends, today our guest speaker is Mr. Balu Velacheri. He is a very good friend of mine. He has got 35 years in pharma industries, and he is a disciple of GK sir and Aditya Guruji sir. He is taking classes, basic classes in GK Academy in Chennai. And apart from that, he is doing consultation in the name of Rudra Vedic Astrology, Chennai. And he is going to speak on various topics, especially marriage compatibility. I hope you will all enjoy. Let us start with our prayer. Om Ganeshaya Namo Namaha. Om Sai Babaya Namo Namaha. Om Aigrivaya Namo Namaha. Now, I will give his number also, but what I request is after seeing this video, if you have got any doubts, if you want to appreciate, or if you want to give your comments, you can put it in the YouTube so that Balu sir will answer there itself, so that it will be helpful to everyone. So I will give his number also for any consultation or other things. You can contact him 988-472210. I will repeat again 988-472210. Now I request Balu Velacheri sir to speak. Sir, carry on, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha. I take this opportunity to thank my gurus, JK sir and Sri Aditya Guruji, who personally groomed me as an astrologer. My best wishes to the JK Astro viewers. It's great pleasure to chat with JK Krishnamurthy sir. His astrological interest is tremendous. Wherever he gets point, he goes there, he collects it, and he sees to that his viewers get it. That is really appreciable. When we discussed lost, he asked me to share some tips or points, whatever it is, to the viewers. In fact, I generally love to share my experience with my students and other astrologers, wherever it is, in whatever be the platform. I love to do that. Here we will see something. The Rasi and the houses are widely discussed. The planets, their futures are also debated without leaving anything balanced. Hence, for a change, we can discuss about the bhavas. That will be very interesting. That is, if one bhava lord is in another house, how it will be during the Dasa Bhukti period or transit period, how it will be. When we say bhava, you should clearly understand the planet in that bhava will be activated only in Dasa period, Dasa Bhukti period, Bhukti also, even an Andram also, Andar Dasa also. In that period, that will be activated. In case at the same time, in transit also, if the same planet travels at the same natal planet, then the events are sure to happen. Dasa Bhukti, transit planet, when they connect with the natal planet, that is sure to happen. For example, we will see like if first lord is in second house. In fact, we can see that the first and second, if occupy in any other house during the Dasa Bhukti period, that will give one more family to the native. The events are sure to happen, no change in it. Here you can add flavor, color, fragrance by saying the debilitation or exaltation or ruling status or in friendly house or in inimical house. By saying all these things, you can conclude whether the effects will be more or it will be less or it will be minimum. How the native will be affected whether it will be severely affected or the damages will be very negligible. These things you can calculate, but without giving the event, it will not go. That is sure to happen. When a Bower Lord occupies another house, for example, if second Lord is in 12th house, this also you can very well see. Why I am saying all these things means these are all the things that very frequently I have come across. Wherever I asked, they said yes. That is the main reason. When the second Lord is in 12th house, you can confidently say that the native's elder brother or elder sister life will be pathetic. They will have some miserable, say either the marital life will be affected, or if you say no, they are very happily living. Financially, they will be having struggles. That also, if you say no, financially also they are very strong. They will not have any child. Progeny will be affected. Anyone will be affected. Some cases, all will be there. When the second Lord is in 12th house, see, these are all the things. You match with the available horoscope. You see whether it is correct or wrong. Then you comment. Likewise, in case if the native has 2, 3 elders, you can ask me which one will be affected. Immediate elder, whether it is sister or brother, immediate elder will be affected. Okay, when the native will be affected, elder one is affected, that is okay. How the native will be affected? During the Dasa period or Bhukti period, the native will be very much worrying about that. Now, why he is like that, or why she is like that, her life is very miserable. All these things the native will have. And in the same way, every house lord, when they occupy another house, likewise from first Lord to 12th Lord, first house to 12th Lord, first Baba to 12th Baba, every aspect we can analyze. Today we can see, this is the first one. I'm chatting with Krishnamurthy sir. Today we can see the 7th Baba, the Kalatra Baba. Like when the first Lord is in 7th house or second Lord is in 7th house. Likewise, till 12th Lord. Okay, to start with, when first Lord is in 7th house, the native prefers to select his match on his own. He doesn't like anyone to interfere in that. Even if parents or siblings interfere in his alliance matter, he will avoid and he will simply say, it's my family matter, I will take care of it. You should not worry about it. Definitely he will cut short that. He doesn't like. But it doesn't mean that the parents or siblings should not interfere in his selection. They can guide it. They can give the suggestion. But the decision will be taken only by the native. If anybody involves in that, he will definitely find a lot of flaws in the alliance. This thing I don't like. Many flaws he will find. Even though the alliance is extremely good, he will find some flaw. So you just leave it to the native's choice. Let him select. You can give the guidance. When 7th Lord is in first house, see, first we saw first Lord in 7th house. Now we can see the 7th Lord is in first house. He need not strain for any alliance. He need not take any effort. On its own, they will come. On its own, they will approach. The native, he need not take anything. When 7th in first house, the native's confidence level will be very low. However strong he is, you can say, no, Mars is in 10th house. So what? Definitely, during this Dasa Bhukti period, when 7th Lord is in first house, during the Dasa Bhukti period, definitely the confidence level of the native will be very, very poor. Even for small matter, he will be confused. He will have a lot of confusion in taking any decision. a peculiar thing is the native speaks different style to the different people. You will talk one thing to males. The same matter you will communicate in different way to the females. The same matter. This I have seen in many cases when seventh lord is in first house. You just see all these things with your available chart. See, this. Mostly they will be doing the same job. When the seventh lord is in first house, they will be doing the same job